Hey everybody, I hope you're doing really well today. Today I have a card, but before I do that, I want to show you what I used and what I got from a haul with the new Creative Expressions Poole designs. I really like her dies. They're vintagey, but they're not, so over the top frilly, but they are pretty and they make great pieces to, this is called like the Shabby Basics. So let me just go through. First of all, this is a great button one. This is called Shabby Buttons. You get 14 of them in all different little designs and configurations with the little dot holes and things. And so you can make some great embellishments and run those all through some papers, spray some distress and whatnot. And you have some little faux buttons there. Next is this set here. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dies in these descending, almost like a 6x4 and a quarter-ish kind of card. I don't know if there's a name for that, but it's layered ripped papers, and you get 5 dies with this one. And of course, these great configurations you can make if you want to say do this one and then put an aperture in. Then you can do that, make like a photo frame kind of idea, make some tags. We always love a ripped notebook paper. It's great for journaling as well. So that's that one. Then there's this one, which is called Victorian Lace Die. And as you can see there, it is, I've got some bits here I haven't gotten out, but a set of 3, great for mini slim lines, great for just little ripping apart and using bits of it. And then this is probably my favorite. This is called Lace Doily Penelope. And as you can see there from the picture, it's very, very elegant, very pretty, and very tattered. So she does have in her other collection, she has another doily that would go really well with all of this. But these are great. So more of an ovalish sort of shape there. And then along with that is this one's called Lace Doily Francesca. So this one has got little bits and bobs ripped from there, as you can see. And I'll show you those 3 doilies. So that one is right here, cut out. So you can see all the nice little sort of tattered, hence the name Shabby there. You can spray these, cut them out of whatever, vellum and whatnot. Here's the 3 in a row little doilies, crochet, I guess. And then the other one is right here. Really like these. And so I thought I'd put a quick card together with just a couple of these dies. Nice pretty peach paper here from, I think, Tailored Expressions. And I'm just going to go ahead and score that. Boss is about 6, and then, yeah, 8 1/4. So I guess I'm going to go 4 1/8 for my score line here. Now, I have to make envelopes for that size. It's not our envelope punch board maker. That works. So I have that. And of course, you can cut another one. This is the largest of those nested dies, and this is some Maggie Holmes paper. Now you could cut one out of white for your inside there to write your message, and certainly decorate with, more of that. This is just a quick thing here before I make dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that on. So some really nice layering elements. You could cut all of them out on your bigger die cutting machines and then cut them all out on a second kind of paper and then mix and match kind of thing. Here's that notebook one there, and that's another Maggie Holmes paper. And then I have the doily. Now I do want to distress this a little bit and do the edges of this because I feel like otherwise it's going to get a little bit washed out. I'm just going to run around the edge there quickly. Okay. And then this guy, since I cut it out of stark white paper, I'm just going to lightly, I'm barely touching. I've got die cuts going every which way here. Just going around, just trying to vintage it up a little bit, just so it's not white. I don't want it to be super dark though. And then I'm going to go around the edges. This is an old ink pad. I need to re-ink those. Spray inks would be great on that. And then you can kind of fiddle around with where you want that. Kind of like that there. And then go in between all these. Okay. Like that. Of course, I don't have a sentiment ready. Surprise of the day. But, and then that's going to go on there. You can put like jute twine, tie it around. Lots of fun things to play with here. Oop. Okay. Got like ephemera. You know, you can tuck that in there. Layer, 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 layer. I've got that Tim Holtz blossom flower would go nicely on there like that. Lots of things you could do. Let me see here. Got some jute twine. What could I do? What can I do? Got a tea bag. I think I'm going to fish that later because I really do need to cook my dinner. My family would be like, where's my food? And then put a sentiment on there. You could use some of those other dies for that. You could layer these on top of there again, and just layer upon layer. You could put some of those buttons and a sentiment. Mix and match whatever's in your stash. But wanted to go ahead and show that to you. It's a great set of dies if you can get a hold of them. Brand spanking new. And yeah, thought they were a good one, kind of a timeless thing to put in your stash. Thanks guys so much for joining me in this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe, check out those links below for my blog, my Etsy shop, my books, links to affiliate links, all the good stuff. Thanks so much. Have a great day.